Hi, we are at step number 4 of how to make the transition, and that is how to establish your authority. Before we go ahead, we need to understand the difference between power and authority. These are two very important words we need to understand when we talk of management. So let's look at what we mean by authority. Authority is the organizationally granted privilege or right to indulge in certain kind of actions. It is the right to give orders or to make decisions and enforce obedience. But remember, what we are talking about is that it is an organizationally granted privilege. Whereas power is the ability of individuals or groups to induce or influence the beliefs or actions of other persons or groups. Or in other words, we can also say that power is the ability to mobilize the organizational resources.
Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, click the link below in the description box.